up here. Mrs. Lovely saw them. And I've been mowing out front. And I'm just stalking up here to see if we can see them. She said there's about 8 of them. So yeah, they're ahead of me. This is where it's gonna be tough. Being quiet and trying to get up to them before they just take off. Let's keep going. Going toward the barn. Let's go a little closer. So I have kind of pushed them a little bit, it seems like, toward the barn. They're getting closer and closer to Mrs. Lovely. It's beautiful out here. Look at that sky. That was awesome. I could have kept going, but I think they sensed that something was on this side, and one of them took off and saw the other one kind of heading that way slowly. So I'm in the middle of mowing up front here, and it's getting late, as you can see. And so I'm gonna be trying to wrap this up soon, get on back up to the barn, get things together, and go get some dinner. We had breakfast today and a couple little, I guess, I don't know, protein bars, whatever, you know, something to snack on. So anyway, it's been a lovely day here at the lovely place. Okay, I just got through mowing out at the front of the property in the field, and I came back to see these solar lights, not to mention that 2 big deer just ran in front of me. But look at this. It's not even dark yet. It's dusk for sure. And up here in the woods, it's a little darker, but you can see the sky. But look at this beautiful design that we have around these lights. When it gets really, really dark, this is going to be amazing. Very, very cool. Love it. And I'll tell you what, it feels really neat to have light up here at the property. Again, we're off grid. We have no electricity, but we have light. So I love it. We have a total of 12 over in the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then back on the back corner, just like on the other side, 12. How awesome. Look how beautiful, y'all. I just wanted to share a moment with you. God bless you. We'll see you next time here. Take care.